Hi guys, welcome to the grand launch of Neemly Naturals and Abby.
Hi everyone!
How are you guys doing?
It's a Saturday evening and I'm sure that you guys are too excited for the long weekend ahead because we guys are truly excited for the long weekend.
Yes, and we are more excited because we are live on Neemly Naturals and there's so many people joining in Saloni. That's so good to see people.
Oh, hi Soumya, hi Sona, how are you guys doing today?
Yeah.
What are your weekend plans, guys?
Yes, leave it in the comments. We would love to know what your plans are. It's a long weekend. Hi Cosmo Anu. Hi Skincare with Shraddha. There's so many people joining in. It's so good to see you all. I'm super excited for this grand launch.
Super pumped up and it's going to be an exciting and interesting evening.
Absolutely, because we have some amazing things to share with you guys. Alright, okay, so we see a lot of people have joined in already, so let's go ahead and introduce ourselves. So my name is Megha Agarwal. I am from Bangalore. I'm a fashion model, a content creator and an entrepreneur. Also, I am your shopping expert for the categories of fashion, skincare and lifestyle, and I have another expert with me today.
Hi everyone, so I am Saloni Khogda and I am a content creator. I create content around fashion, beauty and I am also an Abby expert and I am an expert in the category of fashion and beauty. It's so great to be here, super excited for today.
Awesome. Okay, so since a lot of you are new here and you guys are on Neemly Naturals page, so I will quickly go ahead and introduce Abby to you all. So Abby is a live shopping platform where experts, brands and shoppers all come together and we give you all an entertaining, a fun, lively shopping experience. So that's where we experts come on board and we are reviewing products, we are demonstrating the products during the live stream. So that's great, and if you have any questions during the live stream, you can just leave it in the comments and we'll try and answer all questions for you. So that's about Abby. Saloni, since there are a lot of new customers joining in, there are old customers of Neemly Naturals, we'll quickly just go and brief them about a little about Neemly Naturals as well.
For sure. So guys, I'm sure you guys must be knowing a lot about Neemly Naturals because we all Neemly Naturals, and Neemly Naturals is a home crafted, hand loved brand, and it's a truly amazing brand. It was started by Rameshwari Seth, and Rameshwari Seth, Megha, my mother is a fan of her, and truly I have also become a fan of her after watching her movies. And it's a brand where we have completely natural, organically sourced ingredients with us, and there are no nasties involved, no chemicals, no sulfates, no fillers. You can completely trust these amazing products. And not only that, Megha, do you know that the brand is also PETA certified and FDA certified, and they have these huge category of items under them. So they have from skincare, bath care, body care as well as hair care products with them. They are also having cruelty free, they are completely cruelty free, animal friendly and FDA approved products.
Absolutely. And Saloni, the best thing is Neemly Naturals actually believes in creating products that truly work. So you will start noticing results. That's what the brand claims, that you will start noticing results with regular use. So that's something great. This is a brand that really concentrates or works on products that truly show you results. So that's something great.
That's true, and they believe in goodness. They believe in generating goodness with such amazing natural ingredients. So enough about the brand. Let us just go ahead and directly dive into what are the kind of problems that we face when it comes to skincare and hair care. Guys, we would like to learn from you. What are your problems? What are the problems that you face? Type in the comment section quickly what are the skincare problems as well as hair care problems that you face. So for me, Megha, let me tell you about myself till the audience is typing in. I have acne issue, I have oily skin, so I deal with hyperpigmentation, and when it comes to hair care, thinning of hair is a huge issue with me. What about you, Megha?
Right, so like you said, Saloni, all of us at some point or the other, we do face skincare and hair care concerns. So I have personally, in the last 6 months, I've seen a terrible breakout on my skin. So acne has been a major cause of concern, and also hair fall तो Bangalore में we are from Bangalore, so hair fall तो Bangalore में तो almost सबको ही होता है, but almost everywhere I think this generation we are facing a lot of hair fall, hair thinning issues. So yes, we do have, I'm sure a lot of, let's see what concerns our audience also has.
Anu over here says that she has acne scars. Pratham says oily skin. We have other people's also typing in saying dryness. So guys, we have amazing solutions for both of, I mean not both, I think all of your issues. So today we have 2 skincare products with us and 2 hair care products with us. But what is the most exciting part is that we have this amazing buy one get one offer going on. And this amazing buy one get one offer which is going to be there is going to continue till 15th August. So Independence Day tak ye offer rahega guys, and at the price of 1 product you're getting 2 products.
Absolutely.
2 products. I mean, yeah, just take some time to register that thing in.
That's true. So we just not only have the buy one get one offer, but guys, today we have this amazing hamper also that we'll be giving away to 2 lucky winners. So we'll be asking questions during the live stream. So stay hooked, stay tuned, and we will be asking you those questions. If you answer those questions correctly, you might just be the lucky one to walk away with the hamper. So that's great. So let's Saloni, let's get into our products for today.
Why not? Yeah.
So the first one, we have these 2 skincare products that I have for you all. So the first one is this vitamin C and hyaluronic acid serum. This is a day serum, and this is a 30 ml bottle that I have. And the second one is this retinol and peptide serum, which is a night serum that I have again for you all. So 30 ml ka hai. So this is a great, this is actually their best seller duo. Namely Naturals ka best selling duo hai ye. So it takes care of all your skin concerns. So day serum bhi hai aapke paas, night serum bhi hai. And the best part, buy one get one. तो आप एक प्रोडक्ट खरीदो, आपको दूसरा absolutely free मिल रहा है. So I think that's a steal deal.
Steal deal. And not only skincare, but we also have 2 amazing hair care products with us. So I have the very amazing Redensil as well as Biotin hair growth concentrate, and this is again a best selling product from Nimli. It will make sure that all of your issues like hair thinning, hair fall as well as hair loss gets cared off. And this one retails for 1799 rupees, and you get 50 ml of product in this container. Also, I have another hair care product which is a hair oil. So this is the second product that we are going to talk about today. This is the rosemary and jojoba oil, hair oil, and this one retails for 1199 rupees, and you get 100 ml of product in this. So again guys, these are the 2 products for hair care today, and you can avail a buy one and get one offer. Buy one and get one offer guys.
देख लीजिए इस ऑफर को आप लोग.
So buy one get one offer जिससे आपको एक के प्राइस पे you are getting the second product free. So these are all the 4 products that we are gonna talk about today. So yeah, I mean we should directly go ahead and describe the products in detail.
Yes. And before we get into that, Saloni, let's make it clear to our audience, to our viewers, how they can buy the products.
Yeah.
So it's very simple. There are 2 ways. Either you just type in the comments SHOP. Shop, just put it in the comments and we will send you a link in your inbox. We have Abby support team here, we have Nimli Natural support team here. So we're going to put it in your comments. We will leave the link in your DM, and you can easily shop from there. Or also you can click on the link in our bio. So you can see the go to the Insta page and you will find a link in the bio. Just click on the link and you'll be redirected to the shopping page. So it's that simple.
It's very simple guys. So just tap in the comment SHOP and get your hands on these amazing products with this amazing deal.
Absolutely.
So let's start with the hair care products first, and I'm gonna let you know about both of these products one by one, let you know about the ingredients and how they can make your life more easy and just beautiful. So the first product that I'm going to talk to you about today is this particular one. It is their Redensil hair growth serum. It also has biotin in it, and it's a concentrated formula. You get 50 ml of product. Again, it retails for 1799 rupees. Now in this huge container, this is the glass container, guys. It comes in with a pump packaging, so you can just pump the product out very easy, and you can just take this product onto your fingertips. You can apply it on your scalp very slowly, massage it really well, guys. Champi किसको पसंद नहीं होती है, right? And वैसी चंपी रोज करने मिले, but at the same time these products will actually, I think that they can change your lives. So this one has really amazing ingredients, guys. It has 3% Redensil. So Redensil is one such ingredient जो क्लिनिकली प्रूवन है, एंड मेरे को पता है 85% लोगों ने जब ये पूरा स्टडी हुआ था तो 85% लोगों को एक्चुअली हेयर ग्रोथ फील हुआ. तो इट इज क्लिनिकली प्रूवन. Not only that, it has some amazing ingredients, other ingredients as well. It has biotin. So biotin क्या करता है ना, the natural protein which is there on your hair. हम क्या करते हैं, most of the times we take care of our skin, but hair को हम थोड़ा भूल जाते हैं, right? तो ये जो है प्रोडक्ट वो आपके हेयर में भी मेक श्योर करेगा कि द टेक्सचर ऑफ द हेयर इज रियली नाइस, द हेयर इज लॉन्ग, हेल्दी, बहुत फुलर, वॉल्यूम ज्यादा दिखेगा आपके बालों में. एंड द थर्ड इंग्रेडिएंट दैट दिस प्रोडक्ट हैज, इट हैज नायासिनामाइड. सो मुझे अभी तक लगता था कि नायासिनामाइड जो है ना वो सिर्फ स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स में होता है.
सलोनी, आई थिंक आपने एक्साइटमेंट में ऑयल उठा लिया, हेयर ऑयल. आपको कॉन्सेंट्रेट, इतने एक्साइटेड
मैं ना इतनी एक्साइटेड हूँ अभी कि मुझे ना ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं आपको जल्दी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बताऊं. तो आई एम रियली सॉरी फॉर दैट. So this is the product. Really sorry, guys. It is a pump bottle, and you can take this product for yourselves or your loved ones. And as I was saying, it has some really amazing ingredients. It has niacinamide in it, and niacinamide, it makes sure कि जो आपका scalp है वो काफी nourished रहे, healthy रहे, and at the same time जो unfrizzy और unruly hair होते हैं वो texture भी evenly smooth out करता है. So it's truly a wonderful ingredients, jam-packed bottle. And one more thing, what Neemly has currently going on their website as well. आप लोग उनकी website पे जाके भी देख सकते हैं. There is this 90-day challenge going on.
Wow.
90-day challenge में what they say is that you take up the challenge and you can apply this product every night for 90 days continuously. And according to the brand, you will definitely see great results with the product. So, आज हम सब ऐसे प्रतिज्ञा लेते हैं कि we all will take the 90-day challenge and we will take the challenge together so that we make sure that this particular product will help us all.
ऑल्सो सलोनी 90-day चैलेंज लेने के लिए आई थिंक बहुत सही वक्त है, बिकॉज बाय वन गेट वन ऑफर है.
एग्जैक्टली
बाय वन गेट वन. आपको एक हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट ले रहे हो, आपको दूसरा हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट फ्री मिल रहा है, विच इज आई थिंक अ ग्रेट डील. सो बाय वन गेट वन है, प्लस 90-day चैलेंज है जो आप ले सकते हैं टू ट्राई आउट द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. सो आई थिंक दैट्स अ स्टील डील.
एंड आप स्टॉक अप कर सकते हैं क्योंकि एक जो ये आपकी बॉटल है 50 ml की, दिस बॉटल विल लास्ट for nearly 1.5 months, and उसके बाद you can go ahead and use the other bottle as well. So guys, this is the amazing product, and I think what we will do we should definitely do the
demo so that our audience
also.
can definitely
So
see
this
the
is how the product looks like, and I think I'll just quickly bring the camera close. So this is how the product looks like, guys, from the packaging. It has this dropper bottle. तो ड्रॉपर आप डायरेक्टली आपके हेयर पे भी लगा सकते हैं, बट एट द सेम टाइम यू कैन ऑल्सो अप्लाई इट ऑन योर फिंगर टिप्स एंड देन अप्लाई ऑन योर हेयर. सो दिस इज हाउ द टेक्सचर इज गोइंग टू लुक लाइक, गाइस. जस्ट पुटिंग इन फ्यू ड्रॉप्स. एज यू कैन सी बहुत ही लाइट वेट टेक्सचर है, एंड इट इज नॉट ऑयली, इट्स नॉट स्टिकी, गाइस, and it's really nice. We have a lot of people joining in, and at that moment I think I would like to say hello to Simone. Simone is here joining us with from Neemly. So hi Simone, I hope you have a great day and great evening with us today. So this is how the product looks like. So guys, what do you think about the offer? Is this offer exciting you enough? If yes, then please drop in hearts, guys. Drop in hearts, heart emojis. So
I
that
think it's a great offer for people who are already using Neemly Naturals के products.
Yeah.
They might just want to stock up on this, and for people who are new here, I think it's a great time to buy it because buy one and get one है. तो आप एक नहीं आप दो products try कर सकते हो. So you can buy one hair care and the other hair care product is free, या one skin care, another skin care is free. So we have a range of products, and today we have 4 products जो आपकी skin care and hair care concerns को solve कर रहा है.
Exactly. So we were talking about the hair growth concentrate right now. Again, it has 3% Redensyl. It has also biotin in it, and it's a jam-packed formula to make sure that you get good quality, fuller, more nourished hair. So I think why not? Yeah, we should take certain questions for now.
Exactly. There are so many people and they have a lot of questions. So let's quickly see the questions. Mo or Po, I hope I've pronounced it right, is asking, is it organic? Yes, so the brand is actually using a completely natural and plant-based ingredients. They're 100% chemical free, so they don't have any nasty chemicals, sulfates, parabens, no fillers. So I think that's
yeah, so all of the ingredients are organically sourced, so you can actually, when it comes to ingredients, they are all organic.
Yes. And guys, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments so we can answer your questions about the hair care products that was just discussed here.
So many of you are also putting in hearts inside, and I think so many people are here. Trisha over here says that Neemly is awesome. Yes, Neemly is awesome, guys, and Neemly brings such amazing products with us, and many people are saying sending in hearts. So yeah, thank you for sending in so much love.
Sona is also sharing the hearts. Lakshmi Prasanna, hey, thank you so much. We are so excited, and I can see the excitement here in through your comments. So that's great, guys. Don't forget, for people who have just joined in, we have great offers, which is buy one and get one. And also stay hooked, stay tuned, because we have a giveaway today. We have a great hamper that we'll be giving away to 2 lucky winners. So
all you need to do is answer few questions. We will give you 2 questions, and these questions, if you answer them, put in the comments, or you can even DM us, and we can select the winners that we will introduce.
And बहुत simple questions होंगे, पक्का, promise.
We are in your team, so we will give you really simple questions, and आप में से जो भी winners होंगे, those winners will be announced in the next live, which is going to happen on Wednesday. So yeah, there is this amazing buy one get one offer going on. So many people are joining in. Welcome Surija, welcome Radical
25, welcome Nature Lover, Ashu Trivedi. It's so good. Saturday है, आप लोग इतना time निकाल के live stream watch कर रहे हैं. That means you definitely have, मतलब you are looking out for skincare products या hair care products, and we have the right solution for you here.
Yeah, so as I mentioned, this was the first product that I showed you. It's a hair growth concentrate, and you get 50 ml of bottle in this. Take up the 90-day challenge to actually see benefits in your own hair. So after doing this, I think what you should also do, and what we all should also do, is apply some good hair oil. क्योंकि hair oil क्या होता है ना, it really nourishes and brings in the moisture जो air pollution, hair care treatments, I mean मेरे बाल हमेशा से colored रहे, right? तो जो ये सारे chemical treatments होते हैं, इसके कारण the natural oiliness of the hair goes away, and इसके कारण as the skin becomes very dry and itchy, at the same time the skin of the scalp can also become very dry and itchy, and वो solve करने के लिए we have one another product from Neemly Natural. This is their hair oil. This is the product that I was showing you earlier because I am very excited about this product. This is the rosemary and jojoba hair oil, and you get 100 ml of product in this. It retails for 1199 rupees. So if you get both of these products together today or till 15th of August, you get buy one and get one offer, and you get 2 products at the price of 1. So this is the second product today, Megha. And again, why I was so excited to show these products to you, मेनली बिकॉज दिस इज एन अमेजिंग हेयर ऑयल. मैं पता है ना हेयर ऑयल की इतनी बड़ी फैन नहीं हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत चिपचिप हो जाता है. बट वेन आई एक्चुअली saw this hair oil, I was so excited to try it out because the texture that I'm going to show you right now.
I'll bring the camera a little
yeah,
closer.
Please bring the camera closer. So this is how the texture is going to look like, and आप अभी अपनी आंखों के सामने देखेंगे कि this oil is just so not चिपकू and काफी ज़्यादा nourishing है at the same time. So yeah, this is the texture of the oil. As you can see guys, it's just spreads out really evenly, very nice, but at the same time it's not sticky and smells so good. It smells really nice. So this is a amazing product again from Neemly Naturals, and this is their rosemary and jojoba hair oil. It contains rosemary, which is one amazing ingredient because it has rosemary essential oil. So the oil smells really good, but at the same time it will take care of your hair in a way जहाँ पे आपके hair frizzy नहीं होंगे. The natural antioxidant properties which are there in rosemary, it will make sure that आपके जो pollutants हैं जिसके कारण से आपकी scalp की skin damage हो रही है, it will not happen. Also, it has some other amazing oils. So it has olive oil, it has sweet almond oil, and it also has jojoba oil. So all of these ingredients, जो dandruff issue होता है, बहुत लोगों को dandruff issue होता है. So all of those issues, जहाँ पे dry scalp हो जाता है, irritated होता है, all of those issues can be solved with this. So this is again amazing ingredient. Let us take some questions from audience.
Yes, if you have any hair care concerns, just leave it in the comments.
So Kavita over here says that it looks so natural. Truly Kavita, it looks very natural and it smells natural as well.
And it is natural, right?
Yeah, I mean, I got. So
yeah,
the smell is also pretty natural, and it will actually, you know, पूरा जो चंपी का एहसास होता है ना, it's very cozy.
Yeah,
it's very,
you a proper spa.
Exactly, तो spa at home हो जाएगा.
Correct.
Yeah. So again, let's see some more questions. Type in your questions, guys, if you have any questions.
I would love to try these hair oils and concentrate because I am also facing some, frizziness definitely होता है, and hair fall तो मुझे बहुत होता है. So I think I should. Which one you're saying? The hair oil I should be
hair
trying,
oil,
right?
yeah, hair oil you can definitely try क्योंकि जो फ्रिजीनेस होता है या फिर अनइवन जो आपका टोन होता है हेयर का, वो भी इससे रिजॉल्व हो सकता है. So yeah, these are the two products.
And of course, buy one get one deal है, so why not?
Why not?
Why
we get
not?
2 products at the price of 1. We have amazing buy one and get one deal going on. These are the 2 products that I showed you. We have the hair growth concentrate, and then we have the hair oil. So if you have any questions,
yes, let me look at the comments. If there are questions about the hair oil, just let us know. We would love to answer your questions. There's so many people joining. There's Shifa Hussain, there's Rishiba Official, there's Saloni.
So guys, tell us from where you are joining in. We are here from Bangalore, and we have joined here from Bangalore because we are very excited to know from where you all are. So
Kavita is saying I'm too fan of oiling every night, so we'll order right away.
Yay! Go right now, or you can even type in shop SHOP so that our team will get in touch with you and you can buy this duo.
Also Saloni, ये बहुत fast moving products है because these are best sellers of Neemly Naturals.
Exactly.
So because it's a limited period offer, मतलब सिर्फ 15th August तक है.
Yeah.
So there's only 3 days. So जितनी जल्दी आप लोग ले लो तो that's great. So yeah, you can definitely give it a try. कुछ questions हो तो you can put it in the comments. वरना let's get started. I have 2 great skin care products for you all. Hair care की concerns तो हमने अभी solve कर ली है, but अभी skin care है जो हमें definitely skin concerns होती है. अभी what are skin concerns that we face? Mostly हमें acne issues होते हैं, हमें dullness, dryness और aging का भी बहुत बड़ा concern है. Actually a lot of us don't even know कि aging के what is aging या aging के signs कैसे और कब दिखने लग जाते हैं. So when you reach mid 20s, that's when you start noticing signs of aging. Like you can start noticing fine lines around your eyes, around your lip region, or also on your forehead. So those are signs of aging which you should start taking care of immediately, because varna obviously you will start seeing it more, right?
That's
so I have great skincare products for you. And also, aging is just one of the concerns, but there are other reasons why we start noticing on our skin, why we start noticing dullness, dryness, and all of that. So aging being one reason, then there's also external factors like UV radiation, dust, pollution, all of that. Also our lifestyle, Saloni. मतलब हम जो खाना खा रहे हैं, all of that also really affects our skin, the way our skin looks,
truly
right?
does, yeah.
So I have two great skincare products. The first one that I'll be talking about is a day serum that you can use during the day. So this is a hyaluronic and vitamin C serum. So this has some great ingredients. I'll be talking about in detail. एक तो है hyaluronic acid. तो hyaluronic acid तो हम लोगों ने बहुत सुना है, but we don't really know what is hyaluronic acid. तो also guys, if you have any questions during this, please leave it in the comments. I would be happy to answer your questions. तो हाइलुरोनिक एसिड एक ऐसा इंग्रेडिएंट है या प्रोडक्ट है जो हमारी बॉडी नेचुरली प्रोड्यूस करती है, बट विथ एज विथ टाइम उसका प्रोडक्शन कम हो जाता है हमारी बॉडी में, एंड वील हैव टू रिलाई ऑन एक्सटर्नल सोर्सेज. सो दिस इज वन सीरम विच हैज द राइट फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ हाइलुरोनिक एसिड. मतलब हाइलुरोनिक एसिड एक ऐसी चीज है जो आपको राइट क्वांटिटी में, राइट फॉर्मुलेशन में यूज करनी चाहिए. दैट इज व्हेन इट विल मेक इट विल बी वेरी इफेक्टिव ऑन योर skin. So hyaluronic acid का main काम ये है कि it hydrates your skin and it adds moisture to your skin. So that's one. Then there is vitamin C. Vitamin C is a star ingredient. So I'll show this to you. I have the sample as well. Let me show you the texture as well. So vitamin C, I'll just bring the camera a little closer so you guys can see the texture well. So this, just take, it's ka pump ka dispenser hai. So I just took a very little of this, just one pump, and just see, it's not very thin, oily consistency, but it's also not thick consistency. It's a gel like consistency, proper serum consistency. So just take a bit and you can massage it onto your skin. Just see how well that blends onto your skin, right? How easily it gets absorbed. So that's the benefit of a serum. मतलब serum आपकी skin के अंदर deeply layers में जाता है. It works well on your skin. So that's about this.
Let's take up some questions, right? So Lakshmi over here says that is the serum helpful for both dry and oily skin?
Yes.
So yes, Lakshmi, the serum works for both dry as well as oily skin.
Yeah, it's great for all skin types. So like I was saying, vitamin C is again great for all skin types. Hyaluronic acid as well is great for all skin types. So that's about this one. This is a 30 ml bottle that I have. So इनके दो quantities में आते हैं. एक 15 ml की bottle है और 30 ml की bottle है. So आपको जो पसंद है आप वो ले सकते हैं. And the great offer is buy one get one offer, जो आप definitely limited period offer है, 15th August तक है. So you should definitely give this a try. So I was talking about the ingredients. There's vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. There's also niacinamide, जो हम बहुत सुन रहे हैं आजकल. It's a form of vitamin B3. So that works on your pigmented area. So that is great. Vitamin C के benefits तो हम सबको पता है कि it works great. But also vitamin C हमारे body में naturally नहीं produce होता है.
Okay,
so
I didn't know that. Okay.
we have to rely on external sources to get vitamin C. तो एक चीज है जो लोग सोचते हैं कि विटामिन सी मतलब हम ऑरेंज जूस पी ले या लाइम जूस ले लें या कुछ फ्रूट्स ले लें, विटामिन सी ऑटोमेटिकली मिल जाता है. बट वी नीड टू ऑल्सो नो कि वो इंटरनली इट्स वर्किंग, बट यू नीड समथिंग फॉर योर एक्सटर्नल लेयर ऑफ द स्किन ऑल्सो. So that's why we have this serum which is formulated in the right proportion with the right ingredients, and I'll just give you a closer look. So this is the serum. The hyaluronic and vitamin C serum. It also has aloe vera extract. So that's a great day serum that you can use.
So I'm so sorry. Moaro Pose asks that do we need to use AM or PM? So this particular serum you have to use in the morning. This is a AM serum. And we have a PM serum also, so you can definitely go ahead and buy both AM and PM serums because of the buy one and the get one deal.
Exactly.
So yeah, we have few more questions over here. Pratham is asking that how is the smell? Why don't
How's the smell? Okay, let me just take a little bit on a hand. It's actually like it's natural, made of natural ingredients, so it has a very natural herbal smell. So it smells really nice actually. Saloni, do you want to actually smell this?
It smells really
great.
nice.
Yes. So it will not make your skin feel irritated or anything. The fragrance is not too strong that might irritate your skin. So it's great actually. So you can definitely give this a try. And this one is a 30 ml bottle which is priced at what is it priced at, Saloni? It says 2250, but you can get you can buy one and get the other one. So the other one that I have, if you have any questions, please put it in the comments. I'll answer them for you. Otherwise, we'll move on to the next one. So there is a question. 1 minute.
So hyaluronic acid and the vitamin C serum is a day serum, whereas the retinol and the peptide serum is a night serum. So
yes,
we have both the options for you today. Also, Megha, many people are asking about the other products as well, apart from these 4 products. So guys, we are going to be soon coming up with more and more products. We have noted your request. But for now, we have all of these 4 amazing products, 2 for skincare and 2 for hair care. And thank you so much. So many people are joining in.
Right, because we are actually addressing the main concerns that people face with hair and skin. So let's talk about our next serum. बहुत लोग पूछ रहे थे कि रात के लिए भी आपके पास कोई स्किन केयर रूटीन है या नहीं. डेफिनेटली है हमारे पास. दिस इज द रेटिनॉल एंड पेप्टाइड सीरम जो रात के लिए बहुत अच्छी तरीके से काम करता है. सो रात को a lot of you know or a lot of us don't know maybe that रात को is the time when our skin actually repairs and restores itself, right? So that's the time cell regeneration happens, collagen production होता है. तो that's the time your skin is actually working on itself to get that glow, to get that healthy looking feel, to get that boost, right? So this is the serum जो retinol and peptide serum है. जो मेनली आपने बहुत लोगों ने जब डर्मैट्स के पास जाते हो आप फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ स्किन कंसर्न्स लाइक योर acne or for whatever reason dullness, you definitely a dermat will recommend you some creams with retinol, right? So retinol is a form of vitamin A.
Oh,
right? So I'll just show you the texture. I'll just bring the camera a little closer. I'll show you the texture of this one. Just see, I've pumped out just one pump, and this is the quantity that comes in it, and just one pump is enough to cover your entire face. Just see, it has a slightly yellowish tinge. So I'll just see, it's very lightweight, guys. बहुत skin को sticky feel नहीं करेगा, and it will easily get absorbed into the skin. See, and your skin will start looking young, healthier, radiant. And also it'll give you that plumpy look. So I think that's what we all need, the bounce on the skin, right?
Why not? So Raj over here has a question. He's asking that what are the advantages of retinol and peptide serum?
So retinol and peptide, like I said, the first thing is they'll boost the collagen production. So they'll actually give your skin that healthier and glowing look. Second thing is peptide is the building block of the skin, right? So it's actually making your skin much firmer, tighter and bouncier. Okay, so that's the main thing. And also it works on your pigmented areas. तो अगर आपको dark spots है skin पे, जो बहुत लोगों को acne marks रह जाते हैं, right? So if you have those concerns as well, you can definitely try this retinol and peptide serum at night. So again, I'll just tell you how to use it. There's a very interesting way to use a serum. So just take a very few, like 1 or 2 drops on your fingertips, massage it and massage it well on your skin in this action, like a heart action, like this and like this. So what happens is you're uplifting your skin. So that's a great way to apply a serum. So and then you can definitely follow it up with your day cream or night cream, which will lock the moisture. And like the best selling duo, buy one and get one offer. Don't forget that. So
Simone over here says that retinol is a holy grail for anti-aging. We agree with you, Simone. Retinol truly is a holy grail. Even the dermats, as Megha mentioned, that they absolutely prefer retinol. So yeah, what are the other questions,
Yes.
guys? If you have any questions, do type in so that we can help you.
Yeah, and if you love the offer, then just leave in hearts, because guys, it's buy one get one offer, and it's only valid till 15th August midnight. So don't miss out on the offer, because there's great hair care products that we have. There's great skincare products that we have today. These will solve all your skincare concerns and hair care concerns. तो आपको अगर खरीदना है तो now is the time.
I mean, yeah, what are you waiting for? You should definitely go ahead and try the buy one and the get one offer and get yourselves or your loved ones either these both amazing hair care duos or the skincare duos that we have over here, or you can even, mix and match.
Mix and match.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
depending upon your needs, you can go ahead and do that.
Also, Saloni, since there are a lot of people who are already using Neemly Naturals के products, if they want to gift someone Neemly Natural के products, तो I think it's a great time to buy it, because buy one get one चल रहा है. रक्षाबंधन अभी गया, फ्रेंडशिप डे अभी हुआ है, तो अगर आप लोगों ने गिफ्ट नहीं एक्सचेंज किया है और अगर आप अभी देख रहे हैं, then I think it's a great time to buy these products. So
we have few more questions, Megha. I think we should definitely take these as well. So Sona asked that I have sensitive skin. Is retinol beginner friendly?
Definitely, Saloni, you can give it a try, but always you should always do a patch test on maybe one part of your skin, just to see that it's not doing any it's not irritating your skin. So you can definitely give it a try, but do a patch test before applying it on your face. So yeah,
so guys, this is the correct time to go ahead and get yourselves these amazing duos. There is this buy one and get one offer going on, but let me tell you how you can shop it. So what you need to do is type in SHOP shop and our team will get in touch with you, or you can even click on the link in the bio and get yourself these amazing products.
और सलोनी, हमने बाय वन गेट वन का तो बोल दिया है, बट जो गिव अवे है, हमारा जो हैम्पर है, when are we going to talk about that? Come on, I think बाय वन गेट वन तो है ही है, बट उसके साथ आपको प्रोडक्ट्स फ्री में भी ले जाने का मौका मिल रहा है. So that's a great offer. So, do you think we should reveal our first question?
Yeah, I think it's the best time to reveal the first question. So, Megha, why don't you ask the first question?
Absolutely. Okay, so for people who have just joined in, let me tell you what we're talking about. So, आज हम Neemly Naturals के 4 products, 2 skin care, 2 hair care products के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. There's a great buy one get one deal जो आपको मिस नहीं करना है, 15th अगस्त तक है. Also, there's a hamper, there's a giveaway जो हम कर रहे हैं आज for 2 lucky winners. आपको all you have to do is just type the answer in the comments या screenshot लेके हमें हमारे inbox में भी भेज दीजिए, ताकि आपका आंसर हमारे पास रहे और हम देख सके आपके आंसर को कि आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया था,
ताकि आप ये हैम्पर जीत सके guys. It's a giveaway. So just Megha is going to ask the first question and type in your answers.
So okay, let's ask the first question in the skincare category.
Okay,
ठीक है? तो what guys, बहुत ध्यान से सुन लीजिए, because it's the giveaway question. ठीक है? तो it's the hamper question. What are the benefits of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid? ठीक है, सब लोगों ने सुन लिया. मैं दोबारा रिपीट करती हूँ. What are the benefits of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid? आप अपना जवाब comments में भी डाल सकते हैं. You can leave us a message in our inbox, and yeah, we will look at your answers. And next week Wednesday को हमारा next live stream होगा, जहाँ पे हम the winners announce करेंगे. So ये बस एक ही question है guys. हम एक और question पूछेंगे.
One more.
Yes, थोड़ी देर में. उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा इंतजार करना पड़ेगा, but तब तक आप comments में जाके answers दे दीजिए फटाफट. So yes, I think
you can be the lucky winner, guys. So please everybody participate, and then we can choose a lucky winner that we are going to announce next Wednesday. So on that note, again we have 4 amazing products. We have 2 options in the hair care regime. We have the hair care, the first product is from Neemly, which is their hair growth concentrate, and this is their Redensil as well as Biotin hair growth concentrate. This is how the product looks like, and you get 50 ml of product for 1799 rupees. Guys, you can take up the 90-day challenge which is going on, and you can get your hands on this and take the challenge together actually. So this is the first product, but not only that, we have another product which is their hair oil. This is how the packaging looks like. Again, beautiful packaging, and this is the hair oil. You get this is the rosemary and jojoba hair oil. You get 100 ml of product in this hair oil, and this retails for 1199 rupees. You can get both of these products by the amazing buy one get one offer that we have today, and you can go ahead and shop these products by clicking on the link in the bio, or you can type in SHOP shop, and our team will get in touch with you so that you can have your hands on these amazing products.
That's great Saloni. मेरे पास भी 2 स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स है जो आपकी स्किन कंसर्न्स को टैकल करते हैं. ऑल योर स्किन कंसर्न्स लाइक एजिंग, डलनेस, ड्राइनेस, जो आपको इवेंचुअली फाइन लाइंस दिखने लग जाती है, आप बहुत परेशान रहते हैं. बिकॉज आई वॉज पर्सनली, आई एम ऑल्सो, तो एजिंग के थोड़े बहुत साइंस मुझे भी दिखने लग गए हैं ऑलरेडी, एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉर सोल्यूशन फॉर माई स्किन कंसर्न्स एज वेल. सो देयर इज पिगमेंटेड एरियाज, देयर इज एक्ने issues जो हमें regularly we face, right? That's our skincare concerns. So I have this serum which is the hyaluronic and vitamin C serum. This is the day serum that I have. It's a 30 ml bottle. तो नीमली नेचुरल्स के पास 2 क्वांटिटीज में है. एक ये 30 ml का है और एक 15 ml का भी है.
Okay.
तो अगर आपको जस्ट ट्राई करना है, you can definitely try the 15 ml bottle, and then you can try or you can go for the bigger one जो ऑलरेडी यूज कर रहे हैं 30 ml वाला. एंड अनदर थिंग इज बाय वन गेट वन ऑफर है, तो इसके साथ यू कैन इवन ट्राई दिस वन विच इज द रेटिनॉल एंड पेप्टाइड सीरम. ये नाइट सीरम है, सो योर एंटायर स्किन केयर रूटीन इज टेकन केयर ऑफ. डे सीरम भी है, नाइट सीरम भी है. So retinol and peptide serum is actually working on boosting collagen production of your skin, and also treating the pigmented areas and any kind of fine lines, all of that. So you will basically be getting healthier and clean looking skin using these 2 products. So just add, and आपको ज़्यादा investment करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. क्यों? Because इस टाइम पे limited period offer है जो buy one get one offer चल रहा है. तो आप एक डे सीरम पे इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, आपको नाइट सीरम, बिकॉज इन दोनों का एक्चुअल MRP अगर आप देखेंगे इट इज अराउंड 2250. तो एक प्रोडक्ट आप 30 ml का ले रहे हैं, आपको इतना इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ रहा है, बट यहाँ पे आपको 2250 का आपको 2 मिल रहा है, राइट? सो दैट्स ग्रेट. एंड अगर आपको कम क्वांटिटी में 30 ml का चाहिए, सॉरी 15 ml का चाहिए, तो आपको 1199 में आपको 2 प्रोडक्ट्स मिल रहे हैं, विच इज आई थिंक अ स्टील डील.
It's a steal deal, guys. And actually, Megha, we have answers pouring in for the first question.
Oh wow.
So yeah, but the question was that what are the benefits of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid? Shruti over here says hydration and glow, reduce lines. Mauropo says vitamin C and glowing. Shruti again says both help
with hyperpigmentation.
Yeah, both help with hyperpigmentation, brightening, moisturizing. So yeah, a lot of you know the answer.
Yes, just leave it in our inbox also. Comments में तो आप डाल ही रहे हैं, साथ में अगर आप हमें screenshot भी भेजेंगे, that will be great. That will just increase your chances of staying in the inbox, and we will just announce the winners on next Wednesday. So yeah, that's only the first question.
Yeah. So, but actually over here Shrishti says that what was the first question? I think she missed on the question.
Okay.
So
yeah, so there are a lot more people joining in, so let's just quickly tell them the first question to win the giveaway or win the hamper is, what are the benefits of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid? So that's the first question, guys. Just leave your answers in the comments and also send it in our inbox. So we'll be announcing. We are asking 2 questions today. That was the first one. Second one we'll be asking shortly
in a while.
In a bit. So and the winners will be announced next Wednesday, because that's when our next live stream will be hosted. So yes, are you excited about these offers? Just leave in some hearts, because we surely are excited. I'm definitely going to try the hair care products, because I am facing some hair concerns. Hair fall बहुत हो रहा है, thinning definitely हो रहा है. तो
आई थिंक मेघा के साथ मैं भी रिलेट कर पाऊंगी. सो आई एम ऑल्सो फ्रॉम बैंगलोर एंड बालों की मतलब जो हालत हो रही है ना अभी, वाटर इज एन इशू. एंड नॉट ओनली वाटर, आई थिंक द काइंड ऑफ द लाइफस्टाइल्स दैट वी लीड, बहुत पोल्यूशन के कारण देयर इज दिस इशू ऑफ हेयर थिनिंग, हेयर फॉल, हेयर लॉस. सो आई थिंक बोथ ऑफ दीज हेयर केयर डुओज, द वन विच इज द concentrate product from Neemly Naturals. This is their Redensil as well as Biotin concentrate, hair growth concentrate, and again amazing ingredients. It has Redensil, which is clinically proven to make your hair healthier, more fuller, and just वैसे लहराते हुए बाल जो हम टीवी में देखते हैं, it is proved to do that. Also, not only that, the brand also claims that it has biotin, and biotin is again one amazing ingredient to get that unruly or frizzy बाल जो हो जाता है वो सबको कंट्रोल करेगा. So this is the hair growth concentrate, and you can take up the 90-day challenge. I'll just quickly show you the demo once again. So
I just bring the camera closer
please
for
bring
you.
the camera close to me.
So the audience can see the texture very well.
Yeah, so this is how the texture looks like.
Perfect oil consistency.
Perfect oil consistency. It's not sticky at all, and it just blends in very smoothly. Smells really nice. So guys, I'm a sucker when it comes to smells. I actually like good smelling products. So this is one such product. And also the other product, which is the perfect hair care duo, which is the rosemary hair oil, rosemary and jojoba hair oil. Again, this is an amazing ingredient, jam packed with carrier oils as well as essential oils. We'll show you the texture again once, so that आप लोगों को भी रजिस्टर हो कि जब मैं बोल रही हूँ कि नॉन ऑयली है तो कितना सच्ची में नॉन ऑयली है. So this is how the product looks like. The texture is really non-sticky, non-greasy, and yeah, it's just perfect for everyone for everyday use. क्योंकि क्या होता है ना कि डेली यूज में भी लोग नहीं लगाना चाहते क्योंकि बाल एकदम चंपू लगते हैं, तो पीपल डोंट फील दैट कॉन्फिडेंट.
बट अगेन आई थिंक इट्स नॉट वेरी स्टिकी आल्सो.
एग्जैक्टली.
ऑयल है तो ऑयल वाला फीलिंग तो आना चाहिए, राइट?
या
सो
बट इट्स वेरी, एंड सी आई कैन अप्लाई इट राइट नाउ आल्सो. आई मीन द चंपी एंड द स्मेल, द एंटायर अरोमा is truly making the experience one of a kind. So guys,
and also guys, buy one get one offer है, जैसे हम बोल रहे हैं limited period offer है, तो you don't want to miss out on these offers, right? So hair care का सलोनी ने बोल दिया है, we have skin care products also जो आपको hydration दे रहा है, pigmented areas को sort out कर रहा है, I mean improve कर रहा है, fine lines को help कर रहा है. So everything packed in just these 4 little bottles जो हमारे हाथ में है. Yes, so this is, and इनकी पैकेजिंग भी Neemly Naturals actually has a great packaging also. अगर आप देखो very sustainable, eco-friendly packaging है इनकी, and these are vegan products, cruelty free, they don't have nasty chemicals, parabens, sulfates. So I think it's a great deal जो आज हमारे पास है आपके लिए. तो सलोनी, I think a couple of people were asking the first question also.
Yeah.
तो जो लोगों ने अभी ज्वाइन किया, हम बोल देते हैं आप लोगों को, एक बाय वन गेट वन ऑफर तो है ही है हमारे पास, बट एक गिव अवे भी है, हैम्पर दे रहे हैं हम आप लोगों को.
So 2 lucky winners from all of you can actually win these products, and all you need to do is answer जो हम आपको questions पूछेंगे, and the winners will be announced in the next live, and you can type in your answers in the comment section below. The next live is going to be on Wednesday, so you can wait until then and just type in the answers below. So first question, I think
the first question is, what are the benefits of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid? I hope you've got that question. बहुत लोगों ने अपने जवाब दे भी दिए हैं, and जो लोगों ने अभी ज्वाइन इन किया है, just put your answers in the comments and screenshot लेके हमें DM भी कर दीजिए, ताकि हमें पता रहे आपने participate किया है. Next Wednesday you could just be the lucky one to be chosen, right? So Saloni, shall we go ahead and reveal the next question to them?
Yeah, why not? I think this is the perfect time. And before that, I actually want to hear that what are your reactions and which are the products that you're most excited about. Are you excited about the hair care products or the skin care products? And are you going to buy these products for yourselves or gift it to other ones? Just type in the comments, guys. Type in heart emojis. You can also send if you're enjoying this live session, because we are enjoying this live session, bringing all these products for you.
Exactly, and what is better is when you ask us questions, because we want to help you, we want to answer your questions. So अगर आपको कोई भी concerns है related to skin care या hair care, please ask. Yes, Mo or Po is asking hair care का, so you are
more excited about the hair
care products. That's great. And
so, Ghosh Tina says that skincare products. Sona says she's also excited about the skincare products. I am excited about both hair care and skincare, to be honest.
Right. Because both problems we are actually
both problems we are having. We can relate to both of the problems. True. So guys, very quickly, I think you guys have known the first question. Let me ask the second question for the giveaway, जिसका answer आपको comment section में देना है. You can also type in your answers in the DM, send us directly. So the second question, guys, ध्यान से सुनना. The second question is कि in this hair growth concentrate, जिसके बारे में I have been raving about, what are the important ingredients or what are the main ingredients in the hair growth concentrate? Guys, type in your answers quickly, because I know कि आप लोगों को पता है, आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से सुन रहे हैं पूरा live. So type in your answers, or you can again DM us the answers so that we can choose you and you can be the lucky winner.
Right. Saloni, let's just quickly, repeat both of the questions. So, because there are a lot more people just joining in.
That's
so
it,
they don't know कि हम किसके बारे में discuss कर रहे हैं. So guys, we have 4 products today, hair care और skin care, and buy one get one offer चल रहा है. तो आप एक skin care product के साथ आपको दूसरा skin care product free मिल सकता है, या आप एक hair care and दूसरा hair care free, या you can even combine one hair care and one skin care product. So that's the offer that we are running, and it's only valid till 15th August. But उसके साथ साथ हम एक giveaway भी दे रहे हैं आज. Wednesday को results announce होगा, but questions हम आज पूछ रहे हैं. So हमने 2 questions पूछे हैं. First one is what are the benefits of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid? And the second one is?
The second one is that in this hair growth concentrate from Nimli Naturals, what are the 2 main ingredients? What are the 2-star ingredients of this hair growth concentrate from Nimli Naturals?
Right.
So type in your answers very quickly and DM us your answers so that you can be that lucky winner. And also you can get your hands on all of these products by clicking in the link in the bio. Also, you can type in SHOP, that is shop, in the comment section below, so that our team can get in touch with you and share the links to all of these amazing products. So I think people have been pouring in with the answers, Megha.
Right.
They have answers for question 1 as well as question 2.
Right. But guys, बस screenshot लेके हमें भेज दो ताकि आपका मतलब sure shot आपका हो जाए कि winner हम आपको anyways सस्पेंस तो रहेगा नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे तक. तो बस आप जल्दी हमें डीएम कर दीजिए आपके आंसर्स, एंड देन यू कुड जस्ट बी लकी. तो वी जस्ट अबाउट टू रैप अप द शो गाइस. बट अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चंस हो इस दौरान अभी तक, एनीथिंग अबाउट योर स्किन कंसर्न या हेयर कंसर्न, जस्ट पुट इट इन द कमेंट्स. वी वुड बी हैप्पी टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस.
And also, are you guys liking the show? Did you like the show? What are your thoughts about these amazing products?
Yeah.
Anything that you want to share, we are all ears, guys.
Yes, and if you want us to review more Nimli Naturals products, which are the products आप जो सोच रहे हैं use करने हैं, just put it in the comments and we would love to know about those as well.
So guys, did you like the show? Tell us, send us heart emojis, a lot of heart emojis. Yeah, we are putting in heart emojis right here because we absolutely had a blast over here. So Pratham says that he loved the show.
Thanks, Pratham.
Lakshmi also says that I think she also loved the show.
Yeah.
So it's so great to see all of you loving the show. And
if there's anything you want to let us know, please put it in the comments because we are almost at the end of the show. Answers are still pouring in. Quickly, do you want to, let's actually just reveal the 2 questions again because बहुत लोगों ने अभी just join किया है. Giveaway का questions है, 2 questions हैं and 2 lucky lucky winners choose किए जाएंगे. So first question is what are the benefits of vitamin C and hyaluronic acid? जो हम इस day serum की बात कर रहे थे आज, which is our hyaluronic and vitamin C serum. So इसमें जो main ingredients है, नाम ही बता रहे हैं, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. तो इनके क्या benefits है? Put it in the comments. DM us your answers.
Yeah.
And the second question, Saloni, is?
So the second question is that in this hair growth concentrate from Neemly Naturals, what are the two key ingredients? What are the two key ingredients in this amazing hair growth concentrate which will help you in reducing your hair fall, hair thinning, and actually also growing in new hair?
Right.
So what are the answers, guys? Type in, and yeah, people are typing in with the answers. People are also saying that they really loved the show. Thank you so much, guys. We loved doing this for you.
Right, and also guys, if you have any questions for the brand is here. You can just put your questions here and they'll be happy to answer. Also, if you like the show, let us know if you want to watch us again on together on this channel, so we can come up with more live streams for you. Basically our aim is to help you shop, right? To help you shop better. So we are trying to solve your concerns, skincare, hair care. So if you really like the show, just let us know so that the brand also knows. And yeah, if you have any questions, put it in the comments quickly, guys.
Yeah, and thank you so much for answering all the questions. So Lakshmi here says you both are awesome, really like the show.
Yay.
Oh, thank you so much, Lakshmi.
Yeah, this question I think, right? Okay, Ghosh Tina is asking, can you suggest me what should I do? I have acne poor skin. So Lakshmi, you can definitely try this best-selling duo by Neemly Naturals. There's a day serum and there's a night serum, which so the day serum will help you combat all these issues like acne because there is vitamin C in it. There's aloe vera extract. Yeah. There's hyaluronic acid. There's even witch hazel extract. And also niacinamide. So this is great. And there's a night skincare routine serum as well, which has retinol and peptide. So this also works on boosting collagen production of your skin, so you will get a young, healthier looking skin. So it also, the night serum also helps to, because of peptides in it, it also helps your skin become firmer and tighter. So I think your skincare concerns will be well handled if you use these two skincare products.
And I think these products work really great even before applying makeup. So I think people who are fond of makeup, you guys can apply these products before applying makeup as well. So guys, we had 4 products today, 2 from hair care. The first one was the hair growth concentrate, and this is the Neemly Naturals Redensile as well as Biotin hair growth concentrate. The other product was the hair oil, and this is Neemly Naturals hair oil. This is the rosemary as well as jojoba oil hair oil, and you get both of these products at an amazing buy one get one offer. मैं पता नहीं क्यों इसको उल्टा पकड़ रही हूँ, but this amazing buy one get one offer, guys, and not only these 2 hair care products, but you are also getting 2 skincare product options.
Right. And guys, if you've liked the show, if you're going to tune in on Wednesday, just leave a thumbs up, because next week Wednesday को हम लोग giveaway के winners announce कर रहे हैं. So if you're tuning in, just leave a thumbs up, and
you will have to tune in at 6 PM sharp, guys. 6 बजे sharp आप सब हमें मिलने चाहिए यहाँ पे, so that you can be that lucky winner. And Megha, not only hair care, but what are the skincare products also? We have 2 amazing skincare products as well.
Yes. So the skincare products are the day serum, hyaluronic and vitamin C serum, and retinol and peptide serum. So buy one get one offer hai, guys. Don't forget, it's only valid till 15th August midnight. So jaldi jaiye aur shopping kijiye. Link bio mein hai. Yeah. Just click on the link and do your shopping. I think we're almost time ho gaya hai Instagram ka. To thanks for joining, guys.
Thank you so much, guys. It was such fun having all of you over here, and we at Abby and this amazing collaboration with Neemly. We had so much fun.
Yeah, thanks Shalini, thanks Lakshmi Prasanna, thanks
Shrishti.
Yeah.
Thank you Tina. So many people. Anu,
Shru, Oishi, thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again on Wednesday 6 PM, guys. Tune in, and before that, don't forget आंसर्स भेजने हैं गिव अवे के, बिकॉज 2 गिव अवे विनर्स चूज करने वाले हैं हम, राइट?
That's
ऑलराइट, आई थिंक आई हैड सुपर फन.
Super fun, super fun, and we are going to have this fun again and again. So guys,
Right.
thank you so much for joining in. This is Saloni and
Megha.
signing off for today,
Yes.
and we'll see you soon on Wednesday at 6 p.m. So guys, be there. Lots of love.
Thanks guys, bye.
Bye.